How to lose belly fat in one night with this diet. Want to lose belly fat fast? We've got a simple and effective diet that can help you see results in just one night. But first, let's understand why belly fat is a big deal. Everyone has some belly fat, even those with flat tummies. It's normal, but too much belly fat can be harmful to your health. Being overweight doesn't always mean you're unhealthy. Some people carry extra weight and are perfectly healthy, while others might be slim, but have hidden health issues. The fat under your skin, called subcutaneous fat, is mostly harmless and only affects your appearance. But the fat around your organs, called visceral fat, is the real problem. This type of fat can increase your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even certain cancers. So, how do you know if you have too much belly fat? Here's a simple way to check. Use a tape measure to check your waist size. For women, a waist size over 35 inches suggests you should take action. For men, it's over 40 inches. Measure around your waist at your belly button while standing for an accurate reading. There are two common body shapes to consider: pear-shaped, where your hips and thighs are bigger than your waist, and apple-shaped, where your waist is bigger than your hips and thighs. Apple-shaped bodies tend to have more visceral fat, which is more dangerous. A simple diet to lose belly fat, ready to get started. Here's a diet plan to help you lose belly fat in just one day. It's all about using natural smoothies, juices, and teas that detoxify your body and boost. Start your day at 8 a.m. with a glass of warm water and lemon juice. This kickstarts your metabolism and aids digestion. At 10 a.m., drink warm water with apple or orange juice. The natural sugars and vitamins give you energy and keep you hydrated. By noon, have a cup of green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help burn fat. At 1 p.m., drink cold water with carrot juice. Carrot juice is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you full. At 3 p.m., enjoy a cup of your favorite herbal tea. This helps you stay hydrated and relaxed. At 5 p.m., have a glass of your favorite fresh juice. Choose something you love, like berry or pineapple juice, for a tasty treat. At 7 p.m., drink another cup of green tea. This helps keep your metabolism active into the evening. At 9 p.m., have water with grapefruit juice. Grapefruit is known for its fat-burning properties. Finally, at 10 p.m., finish your day the way you started it with warm water and lemon juice. This helps cleanse your system overnight. Remember, no artificial ingredients in your drinks. Stick to fresh, natural juices and teas. You'll be amazed at how flat your tummy can become in just 24 hours. Plus, your body will detox and feel rejuvenated. Ready to try it? Start tomorrow and share your results in the comments. Let us know if you have any other amazing diet tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.